welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, I am Khushi and I post daily life unfiltered content about UK life on across all of my social media platforms. And today we are going to London. See, I am currently at train and today is my friend's birthday. So let's come along and I'll show you guys how is London. Hey guys, so it's currently 9:34 and we left Canterbury at around 7:55. From Canterbury West, we took train till St. Pancras and we drop off at Ashford International, and from here we're gonna change it for London Bridge Charing Cross. So let's come along with us. Hey guys, so we finally reached London and let me show you here. See, this is the London Bridge station. See, it's so huge and so good. And now we are going outside and we'll first go to Oxford Street as we want to visit this Temple in Soho. So let's go to the Oxford Street first. Then after returning back, we'll visit London because London Bridge at night is amazing. See? So currently we are in the red bus and see how beautiful London is, and now going to the Oxford Street. See. So our bus just got terminated again. Like it happens a lot in London, like randomly terminate their buses, and now we need to take another bus route for Oxford, and it's so time consuming. We could have reached our stop for now, but no, we need to wait for another bus. Now let's see. Oh, it's 98. Let's go. We finally, after so much of trouble, from bus termination to finally boarding another bus, we finally reached Oxford Street and now going to the temple, which is just 7 minutes walk from here. And let me show you. And this is my first time coming to the Oxford Street. Yeah, I did come to London in September with my friend, but we didn't cover Oxford. So see, it's so amazing here. Oh, we have Uniqlo. I would definitely going there and checking few stuff. Oh, they have MACD. And there are so many good stores. Like you can't find most of the stores in Canterbury. And see, so beautiful here. And the weather is so amazing right now. This is my outfit. I'm just wearing a long coat I got from India and with some skirts and some stuff. I was just about to bump into those two girls. But yeah, it's safe. Oh, they have M&S also, but it's common. We can find it anywhere. My makeup is flawless today. I know. Oh, I will definitely be checking some new stores here and seeing if I find something good, I'll buy it. Or maybe not. Like it depends on my mood. If I want to buy, I will definitely buy it. So, seeing some more new shops. I just some random stores and some grocery stores. So not that much. Oh, there's a big store of Next, and Canterbury is just a tiny little one. Oh, this is so huge. Oh, Next का स्टोर इतना बड़ा है यहाँ पर, बहुत बड़ा है. Like even that H&M store was really big here. Oh, Samsung, we have a Samsung flagship store here. Oh guys, see, first time seeing a Samsung flagship store in London. But there's so much big stores here. Oh, it's London, so it's obvious. Oh, my favorite place, they have Miniso here. I love Miniso. There are so many cute stuffs. Oh, I'll definitely be checking this. Oh, they have Clarks. I'm saying, I'll go to this store, I'll buy this, I'll buy that, or I'll be checking out stuff, but everyone knows I won't be buying any stuff. After doing the math, hell no. Yeah. Everyone says at first, oh, it's just 30 pounds, it's just 40 pounds. It's just buy. But everyone knows from their heart. It's expensive. So we'll not be buying much stuff. Yeah, but I'll definitely be buying some skincare products from Boots. I actually need it. And mine is going to Reynolds pretty soon. Cute. See a Pepsi animation and it's just Elizabeth Line Station. Oh, they have a huge store of Benetton also. Like, so cute. They do live up to their hype. It's Oxford. We finally arrived at Scone Temple. It's their gift shop. Govinda's vegan store and gift shop. Now let's go inside. I'm so excited. I'm visiting Scone Temple for the first time. See their prayers going on. Oh, there's also, I think, probably a church beside it because it was bells ringing there. Oh yeah, definitely a church. We finally reached one of the most visited place here, Scone Temple. It's showing us that way. हमें back जाना होगा. Like we need to go back. हाँ, उसके according like we need to go back there and then we'll enter the temple. Like let's see if it's there because the shop was there. And shop is generally near the temple only. But this is the shop, where's the temple? Oh, it's is Radha Krishna temple. So I think we need to go inside. So we just came out of the temple and they said that prayer will start at 12:30. So we just have approximately 20 minutes. So we are here at the next door, which is right beside the temple. And we are just roaming around till they reopen the temple and start their prayers. So let me show you around. This is the biggest next store I have seen till now in London. You see, they also have second floor also. It's huge. And they have really nice collection there. And they have way different collection than we have in contemporary. It's way different. Like I haven't seen this one in there. And even this coat, oh, I like this. Oh, it reminds me of Dekshita. Oh, he loves fluffy clothes. It's 12:30. Let's go to the temple again. And see, we are just near to the temple only. It's the temple. So we just came out of the temple and it was so peaceful. They're chanting Hare Rama, Hare Krishna again. It was so peaceful and I could actually sit there for like more than 2 hours. But I had to visit Oxford. It's my first time coming. So, and see, it's about to rain. And see, it's raining a little bit. The weather was right, it would rain today. And see, black clouds here. So we are in next and see how beautiful this store is. With the LED lights, it's amazing. Oh, there's so good collection. We need this in contemporary, guys. We need this in contemporary. And they also have sale. Oh, wow. See how, and it smells so amazing here. किस चीज़ की स्मेल इतनी अच्छा परफ्यूम की स्मेल आ रही है बहुत अच्छी स्मेल है. So now we are in the men's section and it's see, they also have a nice collection of it's still women's. Oh, they have mixed. See, they have nice collection. The collection is really nice. But after discount also, like it was 229 and 160. Like who will buy a coat for 160? They have nice collection, but they don't have nice prices. That's why see it's almost empty here. It's almost empty. Hello. My friend was just laughing. I reminded us, see, this is the men's section. Even Zara have like 3 whole huge floors for women and just one basement for men's. So we have a bargain. But not prices though. And just quality. Not I don't check quality. Just designs. Actually, guys, I misassumed we were in Benetton, not in Next. So that's why it was more pricey than other stores. See, I just found a brand Rituals which resembles my friend's name. He also has a similar name, Ritul, and we call it Rituals. Actually, yeah, And we are flying tiger. Nice brands. It started raining, so I opened my umbrella. Who wants to ruin this expensive coat I got from India? And also it's dry cleaned, so I don't want to pay expensive prices here. Lloyd's. Your favorite brand Ritul? Lloyd's. He had some bad experience with this one. So it's my first time coming to Victoria's Secret and it's so cute. House park, this shop, it would be perfect for some festive or party season. So it's my first time coming here. Victoria's Secret and yeah. I hit this one, but this top is quite nice. They should have done the similar thing in Next in Canterbury also. But they didn't. They were just basic. Yeah, they were just window dummies decorated and sort of it. But it's quite nice and it's a huge store. Finally, after 2 stores visit, my friend got a huge selection for men's clothing and shoes. And he seems pretty happy. And you're wondering, I'm talking about my friend. I am here at Oxford for a birthday, but sorry guys, I can show her face. He is a shy person. He doesn't want to be seen on camera. So yes, you can just see in the. So this is how I was checking out that brown jacket. But yeah, as I said, I can't show her face, but I'm here for a birthday. They have guys entire Victoria's Secrets range. Well, let's see something. I never been to Victoria's Secrets, so let's find some. Rains have stopped, guys, and it's not raining that bad. So finally we can go. Never mind, it's still raining a little bit, but it's not quite bad. But see this store, it's cute. And one second, let's check. Yeah, you can see it's nice. Planners, it's nice. Okay, there was huge sports center. So we are just so hungry right now, and it's been 25 minutes since we are looking for a restaurant and we couldn't find anything. As it's a birthday and he won't eat any non-veg, and also it's Tuesday and I also don't eat anything. So we are finding some place where we could eat some veg items, and we couldn't find anything other than Domino's. Not Domino's, it was McD. And McD, you all know it's common. So we need something new. Let's see if we find something. क्या हुआ? Ah, see, it's so like they have an angel. But see, it's so nice, and at night it will light it up. It is so cute. Finally, we got a place to eat. It's Wasabi Sushi and Bistro, and I had this once in London Bridge. हाँ, इधर ही जाना है.
Wasabi.
Yeah. So I had this once in London and it was amazing. And let's see if we find some nice veg options here. Yeah, the line is huge. Let's see. चल के एक बार अंदर. They have a huge line. Let's find something. So another option, we are going to Subway as they have mostly non-veg items, and also we are hungry. We need something filling. And Subway is the best place to fill our tummies. And I get out. So guys, we just came into a store where it has all the luxury brands. Yeah, see, we are in the first floor, and it's all the clothing section. It's basic. You can see it's John Dewey, and this simple PJ set is for £45. Like what? You can get the same thing for a lot cheaper as well. See, this is the entire store, and it's the ground floor is so crowded because all the luxury cosmetic brands. There's so many stuff here. There's so many stuff here. But they have Dyson and so much more. I will sometime buy something from here. I really want Chanel and Gucci perfume and a lipstick, but yeah, it's expensive right now. I will end. And also this was John Lewis in London, Oxford Street. So it was really nice visiting. They have a huge NBA store for all the NBA lovers and fans out there. Then it's also two storage. And again, London's popular brand Skechers. Oh, they have Fender. I love their charms. Fender. Like they have put sales board like so huge, but once you go inside, you can see what actually they meant by sale. Yeah, it's not great. It's just sale for them, and we are going inside H&M just now. Also, their stores are same brand like multiple times. Like this is my second Zara I saw in this area. Straight. So yeah. And also it has differences. Like that was the biggest and this was a little bit smaller than that. But again, yeah, but also I was wrong. It has so many more sales. Guys, I saw my first Rolls Royce here and it's so good. See guys, we are in SpaceX and this conveyor belt is so cute. So small products. So cute. We just went to TJ Maxx and now we are going to Boots to get some skincare. I need something because my skincare is going about to get finished. We just got back from Boots and I got few skincare stuff for me and two lipstick for my mom. Finally they opened the lights and it's so good. See, it's so beautiful. Here also so cute. Let's not just get excited for this. We are also going to the London Bridge next, and it would be way more beautiful than this. They have so much better and so good lighting there. And also it's Christmas, so they've decorated it way more. There was a Pepsi outlet and they were giving free gingerbread flavor. And it just tastes like normal Pepsi, nothing much there. I can taste a slight hint of ginger, but it's not like, oh wow, like a gingerbread cookie. No, it's just basic. Like it's also at night the color pop up a lot. And it's looking so amazing right now. See. And finally, they must have turned on that fairy lights. So let's go and see them. Oh, no, it's not fairy, it's angel lights. Yeah. 21 की उम्र तो 18 का है और अब 19 का हुआ है जस्ट. हाँ तो I am still younger than older than you. Also, guys, one notice whenever you come to London, don't travel in this. It's a tuk-tuk. Like it's an e-rickshaw. Like I heard like it's just a scam. Like for just a few miles, they overcharge you like 100, 200 pounds. And it's really expensive. So never travel in this. And like it's actually true. Some of my friends got scammed in this. So like don't travel in this. We are finally here. And it's so this bus blocked the entire view. Yeah, sorry. It's so beautiful. Amazing. And they also have a digital screen going on the roads. And the ferries are like blinking their fins. It's so good in here. See like all the blinks. It genuinely feels like festive here right now. So good. And also my parents doesn't know that I am staying after 5 also. They said leave London max by 5:30. But we're not gonna leave it. So sorry. I'm gonna stay a little bit more. It's London. So after so much trouble and so much confusion with the buses and all these stops at Oxford, we finally reached at Bank Station and now it just takes us like 5 more minutes and we are still walking to reach London Bridge. From there then we take a National Rail towards Canterbury and it's almost past 7 and we are so tired right now. We are literally so tired. See, it's all night and we are tired. I don't think we'll see London Bridge. Let's see how our body reacts because my friend is so tired. He just wants to go home and lay on his bed for timing, let's just show you this areas. We finally decided to go to the London Bridge. We thought, oh, we're not gonna come all the time again and again. It's Canterbury to London. So yeah, we are going there. And then we just take a quick look and then head back to our way. So we are finally, it's my second time here, but at night I'm seeing it for the first time. See guys, this is the London Bridge and it's so amazing at night. But it's not that much lighting as we thought it would have. मैं वो देख रही हूँ एड्रेस था इससे मुझे लाइव मैप दिखा रहा है चल we finally arrived at London Bridge station after so much of struggle. We finally. So guys, I'm just in the train and it was an hectic day, but we enjoyed a lot. We went to the temple, visited Oxford Street, shopped a lot, like shopped a little bit, and went to London Bridge. See there, saw London Bridge there, but it was quite okay this time. They don't have much lighting over there, but yeah, now we are in the train and we'll like in 1 hour probably we'll reach Canterbury. So yeah, that was my day today. Hope you like today's video, and for more such content do like and subscribe to my channel or comment down what you wanna see next. Bye.